So Teams4PM is what we call our app. It's built by Innovative V. It allows you to create new projects from scratch using a simple form inside of Teams. This is using all Microsoft platform technologies and just pre-configuring them together and creating a solution for you. To approve those requests, we're using obviously Power Automate, and we enable you to use Project for the web or Project Online or both. So you can use both of them inside of Teams. It's going to automate the project channel creation in the team for that channel, and it's going to create that channel automatically and all of the requisite tabs that are at the top. It's going to allow you to log risks and issues from a Teams chat thread directly so that you never forget to log that issue or log that risk. And so you can centrally administer everything in one place and have a central Power App for all of your projects and an interface where you can make changes to different project data aspects, see everything in one place, including the issues, the risks, and the lessons learned, and automate the Teams channel creation so that it's created upon approval. And so everybody is creating the teams and the channels in a consistent fashion. It uses Project or Project Online inside of that tab. Right. Power BI for the reporting aspect, and SharePoint lists for the issues, lessons learned, and risks. Go ahead, Mike.
Yeah, I was just going to come back to the point you said, and I think it probably will resonate given that the number of folks that said, and a high percentage of folks that said that they were already using Teams, that governance aspect of it, where provisions, and you have a common way that all the Teams infrastructure or all the taxonomy and the channels are all created like ways, because team sprawl can get to be a real issue with organizations as they start to adopt it, and doing, trying to manage the same type of work different ways because people have the ability to change the way that they do that can be very can cause a lot of thrash. So that's actually a pretty valuable thing to be able to have a standard governance.
Yeah, I mean, it sure is. So if you're thinking about using Teams for project management, you can pull a project schedule into Teams and make it available in tab inside of a Teams channel. If every project manager did that the exact same way, and they built it out where they were capturing their risks and their issues and their lessons learned, I don't think everybody's going to end up doing that the same way. So you're going to have some inconsistency in the way that projects are managed in Teams, and you're going to struggle with collecting all of that ancillary data, all that project related data. So what we did is we built a solution that pre-configures that for you, pre-automates or creates the Teams channels so that they're automated and governed and consistent across the board.